What's up, everybody? It's your instructor, Dyson, here to give you another great lesson to help you as a rookie lower your score. Welcome back, everybody. I had a great question coming in from Renee from Atlanta, Georgia, who asked, if I go to the golf course, how will I know how to operate the golf cart? Can you give me a quick lesson on what to do with the golf cart? Show me where to put my bag, where do you put your golf balls, etc. So Renee, I have a really good treat for you and anyone else who may not know anything about a golf cart. I call this lesson Golf Cart Familiarization. Tip number 1, do not leave valuables in the car. Once you get the vehicle, check the tires to make sure they're inflated. Perform a quick scan of the cart for any other noticeable issues. When you look inside, you'll notice a scorecard and a pencil. The scorecard allows players to keep score while they're playing the game. Now go ahead and insert the key into the ignition. You'll immediately notice that it doesn't come on like a regular car engine. Here's the slot for your golf balls. There's also another slot on the other side where you can place 3 more. Now you'll notice 3 gear options: forward, neutral, and reverse. You'll see sand bottles on the side. Now what is this used for? That's a great question. Watch the upcoming example. When you make a divot after hitting a shot, you want to make sure that you use the sand to fill the divot. So make sure to fill your divots with sand. It's a great way to show great sportsmanship to other players. So where do you secure your golf bag? Place the golf bag on one side of the cart. Now, as you can see in the example, you want to make sure that you strap that golf bag in there really tight. You don't want it to pull off and the golf cart comes flying off the bag, like I've seen before. So this looks good. It's almost time to go. The back area is for storage. A great place to put your snacks, book bags, keys, wallets, etc. So make sure you do a last minute check before you ride. Triple check to make sure you have everything. Don't get nervous. Enter the car. Change the gear to reverse. Now you may hear a beeping sound. That's just indicating that you're in reverse. Push the gas pedal. Slowly back up. Change the gear to forward. Hold the brake so you don't roll backwards. And
I've been down in Pennsylvania, where I was working in the mine. And I've been down in Cincinnati, they laid me off the assembly line. Got me looking everywhere, but I ain't too proud of what I find. And you can't name where I ain't been down.
what you heard, please subscribe down low at the bottom. The links are below. Hope that helped your game. Hope to see you out there and lowering your skills.